guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So today obviously I'm doing the red food challenge. I eat red food for 24 hours. मैंने already cover किया है black food challenge, green food challenge, pink food challenge. So if you have not seen that, the links of those will be down in the description box below. Check it out. So obviously it's morning right now, and one sad thing is like I usually always have black coffee या green tea. तो आज मैं वो नहीं पी सकती क्योंकि black coffee is black and the green tea that I have is like yellowish, greenish kind of thing, like some weird color, basically nothing close to red. So let's go and get our breakfast and get started with the day. So I'm back and here is my soup. Like you can see, it's red in color. Now I don't know if you all know this or not, but I hate tomato soup. I just absolutely hate it. Tomato soup, tomato lays, all of that. So it's just not my thing, which is I've taken a little bit because I don't like tomato soup. But breakfast में और क्या खाऊं मुझे नहीं पता था. So by the way, this has like some veggies in it. मैंने नहीं डाला, it already came with the package. So I don't want to do. I hate it. I hate tomato soup. I hate it. So I've had a little bit. I can't like have the whole thing. I'm sorry. मुझे टेस्ट इसका बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद है. मैं लंच के टाइम पे हेवी लंच करूँगी, but for breakfast I can't do. Tomato soup is not my thing. I hate it. I don't know why. I just can't. So I'll go and get started with the day, and I'll see you guys during lunchtime. Okay guys, so it's lunch time now और मैंने मेरा lunch मंगा दिया. super hungry. और मेरा ऑर्डर आया काफ़ी लेट. So finally मेरा ऑर्डर आ गया है यहाँ पे. I have ordered from Indigo Grill and I have ordered chicken tandoori. I have ordered something for my homies as well, but वो मैं उनको दे के आई हूँ. So मेरा जो dish है is here. Let me open it and show it to you guys. It looks amazing. I've got chicken tandoori here, which is like red, so red. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and have this for my lunch. Now I always love having it with some green chutney, but today we can't have that also, so I'll just have it as it is. And while I have that, मैं देखने वाली हूँ Shark Tank. Shark Tank का नया season आया है, so I love Shark Tank. If you guys also love Shark Tank, if you watch it, comment down below. We need to chat. In case you guys are wondering किस में आया है, so it's not there on Netflix. It's there on Amazon Prime. Hi guys, so lunch को 1 घंटा हो गया है and I felt like having a cake, and I have red velvet cake over here with me, and this is how it looks. I've taken like a very small piece because पेट काफ़ी भरा है with the food that I had. एक bite is eaten because एक bite मैंने on the way, like जब मैं केक ला रही थी, I gave it to my mom. उनको try करना था, although है but उनको try करना था तो मैंने खिलाया. So here I know there's white thing also, so I'm just gonna eat like the red part and not cheat. Okay, so relax, don't come at me. Like only eating the red bread part is like a little too drying for the throat. still tastes amazing. When it comes to cakes, I love red velvet, I love dark chocolate, and I love cheesecake, like the normal plain cheesecake, not like blueberry cheesecake and all. I don't know why am I saying it out, not like you guys are interested to know, but anyways. If you guys ever feel like sending me cake, you know which one to send me. Just kidding. So I'm done with the cake, going back to work, and I'll see you guys whenever I eat something red next. Hey guys, so I was working and I took a break, decided to munch on something. So here I have something which is very exciting. This is a Britannia treat in red velvet flavor, which is super cool, and this is limited edition. So this is how it looks. Let's open it up and see how it tastes. So this is the color of the biscuit. It's like not exactly like dark red, but yeah, somewhat red, and there's white cream in between, so don't worry, I won't eat that. Let me just try the biscuit and see how it is. So I've removed most of the cream from the biscuit. Now let's try it. It tastes really good. I'm usually never a fan of cream biscuits, but this one's really good. Like, at least the biscuit part tastes amazing. In case you guys see this anywhere, grab it. It's yum. So I'm gonna munch on some of these biscuits and get back to work, and next I'll catch you all when I have dinner. Hi guys, so I've come out for dinner, and I've come out of this place called Elementaria Cafe. And the reason I'm talking so softly is because the whole restaurant is empty. I'm literally the only customer here, lol. So I have called for red pasta, and hopefully they make it red, and I'll be able to eat it because I'm super hungry. So, oh, by the way, I put on a jacket because it's cold, but I'm still wearing red. Anyway, my pasta is here, and I'm gonna show you all, and I think it's red and I can eat it. Pasta is good, but I don't like red pasta. I never order red pasta. This time I've ordered only for the video. So yeah. So I asked them what is there to drink. They didn't have anything in red to drink, so no drinks for me. So hi guys, I'm back home and I'm done with my dinner and I'm extremely tired, so I'll end this challenge here itself. I'm not going to eat anything else now. I'm just going to change, do some work and go to sleep. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, also hit on the bell icon, follow me on my social media, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.